Welcome YouTube. Hello, hello, hello. Let me just actually get YouTube up, just to get the chat up. Maybe for once I can keep my hands up. Right, whoa, what the? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, buddy. Right, I ain't reading that one. Oh god, echo. That is carnage. Give me 2 secs. How was everyone's week last week, actually? What trades, especially for the guys who trade the MCR type strat? Ben, I've been seeing you in your futures chat, man. You've been doing pretty well by the looks of it. You, Goose, or Duck, and who else trades futures? Is one other. I can't remember the other guy's name. Did pretty well. One trade, one win. Nice. Was it the same one I took, Lytex? No. Oh, different one. Hell yeah. Which one? And Ruben. Nice. Who's mentorship? Anyone cool? Or will we not know them? Shit, I'm just trying to find the live stream little thing that I send out to Discords. Because I need more views. It's pretty cool being like the analyst in a bunch of Discords, because you just get like free views for anything you do. Like the YouTube, every time I'm live on a Sunday, I just send it out to like 40 Discords. I mean, we still don't get that many views, to be fair. We used to peak at like, I'd say a solid like 15 people watching on YouTube, which is actually kind of cool. But then, yeah, it dropped off a little bit. We might get like 5 to 10 people if we're lucky. But in total, I think I get about, roughly about 80 to 100 views per YouTube breakdown. But I mean, it's not too bad actually. Boom, market breakdown. There we go. Right, we're good on both. Let's get into it. My journal still does. Ooh. Okay, I'll have to look at. I'll have to have a look at the journal as well, because that's a problem. Don't want to. No, go for it, man. Yeah, no. Tell me who's mentorship. That's completely fine. As long as you're not like sending Discord links and shit, that's completely fine. Yeah, because you. One sec. This guy's. Click the headphones. He's server deafened himself. He's deafened himself and then said he can't hear me. Nefarious effects. I've heard of him, but this guy Charlotte. Is it a guy? It's not him, is it? That's not him. No, he's got 400 followers. Well, let's see his TikTok. Oh, here we go. Some intense puzzle practice. A feature. Oh. No, I have not seen him. Can't bother logging in. Okay, fair enough. I can't say it. What? What? Really? You're joking, Norman. Okay. That's my input. Okay. Oh, they're just all fair value gaps. Oh, okay, right. Weren't you with Varga, Ruben? And you switch from Varga to that. Is it like a complete switch in strategies, or is it just a slight switch up? Because I know Varga uses fair value gaps, right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm good, man. How was your week last week? Yeah, we'll quickly get into it. I only took one trade last week. I'll quickly do a very fast review of what, obviously, I took. You guys probably know already. Daily high on gold, 2725. Nice psych level. I was mainly looking on the 4 hour, to be honest. We also had this dodgy ass trend line, which I know technically not valid, because obviously you got to draw it for an uptrend. You got to draw it from the lows, duplicate it to the highs, but I drew it from the high because it actually lined up really nicely. But that's a nice trade. We also had, it was 2725, technically the trend line, the level. I swear there's something else. I've already forgotten, to be honest, so I couldn't tell you. And then we had the break retest, which was the daily, but you also had the 4 hour and the 4 hour level below. So this was a bit of a weird one. either way, I would have missed it even if I went for the 4-hour break retest. So I'm kind of happy that I missed everyone because I don't think many people caught this. And I went for the safer option in between, just above the fib, and yeah, that missed as well. So that did the move. So I mean, we can delete all of this now. I'm not bothered about keeping previous stuff on here. Get rid of this. That 50 is still valid. That's gone. That's gone. And the only other trade I was looking at was EM. Yes, it was. This was an absolute bastard because this one missed me by a few pips. That would have finished off Friday pretty nice. 5 pips and did a crazy move. We had, I'm pretty sure, AU and NU were pushing price quite a bit, and those both did reactions. Was it on a 4-hour? Yeah, it was mainly AU that did the reaction. NU didn't really have anything there. It was AU that actually did the reaction and push price. We had this 4-hour level. That was the main driver, I'm pretty sure. And that moved at the exact same time. So, bit of a bummer there, but yeah, it is what it is. So that was last week. Just one trade. That was the first trade of the year as well, actually. Vanguard never really worked for me. I quit 1 year. Oh, shoot, I didn't know you quit that long ago. I'm trading at SMC ICT for over a year. If I was around 6 months. Oh, what? I didn't know you've been trading it for that long. And now got his mentorship. Is it like one-to-one mentorship where you get calls and stuff, or is it just like a Discord with signals and charts? 38 Monday and got the highs. But also missed a 38 break retest plus psych on Friday. I've already forgotten what. I'm guessing gold you were talking about. Yeah, it must be. Yeah. Yeah, the Monday one. Just realized the lo-fi thing's gone really quiet. Oh, my earphone wasn't plugged in properly. Oops. Monday, I fucking can't remember.
Yeah, bro, it was gold. It was a 38 break retest on the weekly time frame.
On the weekly?
Yeah, it was a break retest on the weekly, and it was 38 4-hour level.
That one. Okay.
Yeah, had solid backups. Monday was tech driven, that's why. It was like
this one. Okay, yeah, I remember that one. Yeah.
Went off the 50 fib as well, but I didn't take the 50 fib because it was a backup.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, that's fair. I was waiting for that one. I didn't go for this one. I was waiting for that, but that also missed. It was a bit of a weird one anyway, to be honest, because you had that level just below, so it's weird for targets. Okay, nice. And Lytex Youth are the same, right? Yeah, beautiful. Okay, let's quickly cover. It's so fun trading less pairs now, because literally it takes me, when I'm not doing a call, obviously it takes me 5-10 minutes to go through the pairs. Even on the call, it only takes us like half an hour unless someone's blabbering in chats. Not blabbering, sorry, that was a bit rude. How much iron a week? Are you talking to me or are you talking to... No, I don't know why you'd be talking to Ruben. Just one. I trade 1-to-1. Yeah, he's getting confused a bit, but should be fine. Oh, yes. Fuck me. It's late on a Sunday evening. Worst time to do these calls. The one I forgot to set an alert. Oh, shit, okay. You get 1-to-1 call every month. You get the mentorship. He does 1-2 live calls. Yeah, that's not too bad. I'm pretty paranoid when it comes to mentors and gurus. But the people in his community are nuts. Nuts in a good way, as in doing well, or this guy still can't hear me. Let's try and help him. You're deafened. Need to deafen. Spell that wrong. Oh shit. Click headphones. There we go. I'm not helping him anymore. Just got into a hedge fund. Oh shoot, okay, that's kind of cool. Oh, it's not like that. Okay, I can't spend the time to tell him how to do it. Right, okay, so EA, what do we have on EA? The low was tapped, worked nicely. I'm not really bothered about that. We do have this level, which again worked with EN, so that's gone now. You have like the little break retest here, but again, it's pretty much that level. I'm not too bothered. So EN, EA, sorry, we just need to break out this range. We're stuck in this shitty little zone here. We just need to break out of either side. Either push to the upside, push to the downside. Next buy is here and here. Next sell is here. So all we need is a break, push below to one of these, and then of course we can also catch the break retest of that. Break retest of that. So that is the plan for EA. I don't really have anything at all. I'll read through that in a sec, Ruben. Let me just like run through this really quickly. So that is all I really have, to be honest. 50 fib, that's 200 SMA, and then 61 fib backup, which is obviously this fib. I'm guessing anyone else has anything different from that, right? Oh, that's technically that. That is pretty much EA. For EN, obviously this missed, bit of a bummer, so that level is now gone. We have the high, which of course I'll go for if we see a clean break of this. So I know we respected it, but now if, like, let's say Monday, we see a clean break, push to the next level, I'll probably go for that. Just level and alignment, it depends on market conditions, but if we see well, if we line up with the driver, whatever's pushing, if it's Euro NZD, or if we see a DXY driver and, you know, DXY aligns with something, DXY EU EN, then yeah, sure, I'll go for that. But I would prefer, oh shit, no, because we got the break previous level. That's what I was on about. I was going to say level, just level and a break a previous level. It's a bit conditional. That's when it's like, it's based on market conditions, really. If it's pure tech, then yeah, sure, I'll go for it. Yeah, ignore the alignment thing. I was meant to say break a previous level. But obviously if we have break previous level and then something else, EMA, trendline, fib, alignment, timing, then yeah, 100% it's a trade. So just level and break previous. It depends on market conditions. So that could be potential. We'll see. This third tap trend line could actually work out really nicely next week. So for this, I'll just put tab. That's trend, time and alignment, break previous level. Can't bother writing it all out. This low is, I mean, not massively of interest right now. I'd rather, I mean, yes, we pushed up, broke that high. So, I mean, this is now validated, but I don't know. I don't think it looks very nice, to be honest, especially with price closing here. If price closed up here and then we saw a nice move back in, yeah, sure. But I don't think the move from here is going to be 150. I think I'd rather use this for alignment with something else. So if we looked at like GN, no. EA, again, most likely not. So I'll see. If we have like really nice alignment with this, then potentially, but it is not the cleanest. So I'll just keep the level there and nothing else. This is okay. This is the 50 fib, obviously the move up. So that's clean. And then this is the backup, the EMA. This is 100 EMA. That's slowly creeping away. So most, I mean, it's only 30 to be fair. That's not actually that bad. So that is still, I'll be going with that. But I'll obviously go for this level before and see what happens. This trend line, was that a trend line duplicate? Oh yeah, so it lines up perfectly. Yeah, it's beautiful. And then we have the big ass weekly level, which is really, really nice. Is that what highs since 2020? So 4 or 5 year highs, which is really nice. And that needs to tap what? Midweek would be perfect. So yeah, that'll be beautiful, especially if we see like a strong break of this, or even if we catch both. If we now see like on Monday a clean break of this, tap into this, we catch that one, then we have a break of that. Obviously that's not going to happen, but could do. GA is boring right now. Really boring. I don't really see much on this at all. We had that little break retest, which pretty sure missed. I don't have a good memory at all, so I don't know. You then have like the low of that, but I really don't like that at all. I personally wouldn't look for that just because of how ugly this zone is. You've got that, this. There's just too much. If that was like a clean, obvious move like that, then yeah, sure, I'd go for it. But I just don't like the state of that level. It's a bit of a weird zone because especially if you're entering towards the low of this, let's say you went 50, you've then got this wick, you got that little break retest that's also done 60. So do you want to cover that or not? Then the zone gets a little bit wide. So I don't think I'd go for that. So the only buy level is literally this low down here. I don't really see anything in this at all. Sell levels, you have 2. I do actually like that one. That one's really nice. This one's a little bit messy, obviously, because the break was a bit of an awkward break. On the 4 hour, it's not as bad. It was just this movement here. That's all. Which I guess is fine if you're looking at the zone, you know. I guess that's the zone. It's not that bad, but on a daily, it just looks a bit scruffy. And then it's a bit awkward because you have to cover that. I don't know how many pips that is. Let's say you entered just for the break retest. 50. I mean, it's not too bad, to be fair. Yeah, then you have the psych level 1.99. It's not the worst, especially if this one breaks, then I guess I'll have to go for that. But this one is the cleanest. It does not have a 38 fib anymore, so ignore that. It has absolutely fuck all. I guess we could go an aggressive trend line. Yeah. What's that? Or what, Tuesday? Okay, yeah, no, that works. Break retest trend line. You got the psych as well, which is a nice little added confluence. So yeah, do we have anything aligned with that? EA, not really. And we'd have to look through like other pound pairs and shit. That's not actually that bad. Okay, I do like that. It's a bit of an aggressive trend line. Let's see if the duplicate does anything. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, kind of works. So yeah, that's valid. I like that. So that's just the break retest trend line. Break retest trend line. Yep. That is okay. I like that. I'll remove ATR for now because I'm not really asked about that at the minute. It's just a little added bonus if, again, similar to like psych. Obviously psych I'll base entries around it, but ATR not at the minute. It's just yeah, added confidence. So that's it on GA. We got this, and then back up with this one, which, I mean, 50 fib lines up. Oh shit, I think this is the 38 fib of this. If we go for this more recent, that's what I was looking at. Okay, this most recent push, it's a 38 fib, which is still what, 500 pip fib. So it is the 38 fib. So that's nice. We have 38 fib and the trend line, which is pretty nice. So that is, I'll take that. It's good. GN. Did you buy Trump coin? What is it? Trump / USDT. No, it's not going to come. It's not on TradingView, is it? I highly doubt it. No, but I saw that shit went absolutely parabolic. Crazy. Yeah. A US president launching a crypto token, meme coin, whatever you want to call it, 2 or 3 days before he's put into office. Something is going on there. Surely something is going on there. Like, yeah, something, I don't know. There must be something. There's no, like, just random reason he's done that. Yeah, imagine greatest rug pull of all time. I know, I saw that. They hold like 89% of supply. Crazy. But yeah, I don't know what the plan is with that. Did he just launch it for the fun of it? Surely not. Has he launched it to like make it a top 10 coin to say, yeah, I own crypto and I'm super positive for crypto because I have my own coin, that type thing. Because I know Trump's like, not Trump, Elon, he's all about Doge and he wants to bring like crypto payments to Twitter with Doge and shit like that. So I know Elon's pro crypto. So I think Trump is going to be pro crypto. I don't know. And then obviously they've now got fucking Mark Zuckerberg is in Trump's pocket as well now. He made the move, same with Elon. Obviously Elon like did release the Twitter files and how the US government or whatever were paying Twitter to like suppress certain like politicians and like shadow ban certain accounts and suppress certain like keywords, for example, like, Trump, and so there won't be as many tweets about Trump. So obviously Elon released the files and exposed the shit out of them. And now Instagram and Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg says he's going to take a similar approach, and remove all like the automated like shadow bans and shit like that. When your account gets like, you know, warnings for no reason, he's going to remove quite a lot of that. Yeah, freedom of speech. Yeah, no, in quotations, big quotations. Okay, let's carry on with this before we get political. Get rid of that shit. Yeah, GN. Anyone have anything on GN? Otto Analytics and Kai, technically, and Baldwin. What are the nicest setups you guys have this week? Like, which pair are you looking at the most? Any, like, perfect setups at all? Okay, at least 2 of them are typing. The other 2 are asleep. Haven't looked yet. Gold. Okay, fair enough. Kai and Baldwin are asleep. Yeah. Okay, Baldwin's not. Okay, I'll let you off. GN have 50 fib. Okay, fair enough. GN have 50 fib. That is literally it. Would anyone go for this? So if you're looking at the 50 fib, which is this level, would you then go for that level as a break and retest? Usually I would, but we've also got the gap, which I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. I'm not going to go for that personally. But I don't know how you guys would approach that if you do like that. It's just because of the gap, the market open, close, whatever. I feel like that's going to fuck it up a little bit. Do you want to cover the entire gap? Because if so, you're going to need a 40-50 pip stop. I mean, it doesn't even line up with anything anyway, but you don't care about that. Fair enough. I'm testing different pairs with levels because the pairs didn't work well for me. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, I've stuck to literally just these. EA, EN, GA, GN, GJ, UJ, GU and gold. GU is shit. GU is an absolute shithole. It's slow as fuck. All of these are beautiful. UJ's shit at the minute. It's got, oh shit, it's got 50 fib actually. Never mind. I'm sorry, UJ. So yeah, GN, nothing. Buy levels. Are you guys looking at this at all? So, oh wait, well I'm looking at that to be fair, so never mind. I don't know why. Can't remember what it was. Was it this? No, I think it was this messy ass break retest. I can't remember. Anyway, these 2 levels are nice. Yeah, I'd rather go for the bottom one to be honest though. Yeah, that's about it really. GJ. What does everyone have on GJ at the minute? I have 2 setups, 3 setups. I see 3 trades. We have buys from here, we have sells from here, and we have sells from here. That is what I have. However, this first sell is, I don't know. I mean, let's see how many pips that is first of all. Let's say you went 50. Oh, that is disgusting. How are you guys managing that? How do you manage this trade? Because you got the 38 fib and the level, which of course is nice. 24 pips, completely fine. But then you have the EMA, which is 28 away from the level. And then you have another level, 20 away from that. So to me, well, that's a 50. You can't go 50 because the EMA is right above. 2 different trades. What, like that? Is that how you do it? How do you do it, Lytix? Because you could then go for... You could go like... let's say we went 40 on that. We went 40 on this. No, we can go 50 on that actually. You could go something like this. So what's that? 3.4, that's 1.7. So that's a 1 to 1.7. So obviously risking 0.5 on each. 0.5 on each and you gain 1.7 in total. Could go for a split entries type thing. I don't know. I'm going to have to wait until we actually get there, to be honest. Because I'm hoping this just pushes lower and then only the 50 lines up. So I'll go for the 50. You hope the EMA gets down. Yeah, fair. But that is a really awkward one. This, I need timing or alignment. Because I was hoping for a break of this, but it actually had a really nice reaction, as you can see. Did like almost 100. So now I need timing or alignment with this, and I'll go for it. So UJ and DXY or Nikki, something like that. Nikki is a bit disgusting, to be honest, at the minute. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know. It's a bit... I hate, really hate this level. This zone. Hate it. Beyond hate it. Because you've got this, that, and that. Which one do you go for? How do you cover it? It's so awkward. Then you've got an EMA here. You've got an EMA here. You got a 50 fib here. You got a 61 there. And you got a 38 there. So now how do you approach that zone? Because that zone is vile. There's way too much going on. So yeah, I think I would rather the EMA push down, price push down, and we either just go for the break retest or that. Did anyone short TikTok this week? I didn't think it was actually going to go through. I thought Trump would get in power and they'd like delay it, but yeah, it's actually gone. Which is funny. I mean, I'm not loading content at the minute, but for the people who rely on TikTok for business, that's crazy. Because TikTok isn't just like some random like social media app. Like, people make money from TikTok. Like, the amount of businesses that like post their first TikTok, it gets 800,000 views and that's it, they're set. Like, yeah, it's crazy. All because they couldn't I mean, they said it's a security issue, but it ain't a security issue. It's just they shit themselves because of after the, let's say, wars. I don't want to get like fucking shadowed on YouTube or anything, but after the recent conflicts, I think they really shit themselves because they can't control the narrative at all. They can't control the story anymore. Like, they can't go, oh yeah, let's print it on the news that this happened. Nah. People on social media know way too much now. Like, I see, it's crazy how like World War II, there was no social media, and like you had to wait for what the news said and like what happened in the papers to then find out what happened. Whereas most of that, 90% of that was probably a lie. Whereas now, like, I see Ukrainians and Russians grenading. I saw one literally the other week where it's a Ukrainian and a Russian shooting at each other, and then he went into the house and he fought to death. Like, fought to the death. Threw a grenade in there, he ran out, stabbed him. They started like scrapping each other. And then he's just there, lay there, just dead on the floor. And he walks off. That's just like chilling on Twitter. Mental. I see some absolute... I see the ones on TikTok. Have you seen the ones on TikTok where they attach the grenade to a drone and they like fly the drone over the trenches, they drop the grenade and go boom, and they just like fly off? That's literally on TikTok. Yeah, it's literally that's like some DIY COD stuff. Yeah, the edits. Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, I didn't see about that, Enoch. I'm not that plugged in, to be honest. Yeah, GJ I got. But I don't know. These sell levels I really don't like, so I'm hoping it pushes down and we see this level or this level. Please. Please. Or pushes down a little bit, so then it makes these levels a little bit more attractive. UJ is beautiful. This was a really aggressive trade with a 23 break retest, but obviously we had something on Friday. Can't remember what it was. Was it No, NFP? No. But we have the 50. The 50 is beautiful. Now that we've seen a break of that, I know it's very cramped and I really don't like it because of how fucking aggressive it is. Oh shit, no, it's Monday. Is anyone trading Monday, by the way? How many of you guys are trading Monday? And how many of you guys don't know what happens on Monday? There's a big news event on Monday. Does anyone know what it is? Yeah. Just making sure. I wonder how many traders don't have a clue. Well, What will the effect be actually? When he last came into office. Let's go back to Trump. 2020, 2016. 2016. Let's quickly check. Did it rally quick? Here, it was here, wasn't it? Oh no, this was when he won. When he came into office. Shit. Does anything happen when you go into office? MLK too. What, Martin Luther King has his own day? I don't know that. Not being offensive anyway, I just didn't know that. Fair enough. Fair play. Feb 17th, Jan. I'm just 20 in 2017, you dumb mong. Oh yeah, no, it is 2017, yeah. Did anything happen? When's no. I don't know. Bro, he's talking all anyways, can't be asked. What? Oh, Trump's speech. Oh, what? I've not even looked, to be fair. Monday. Don't even say. Don't even tell us. I'm sacking off Forex Factory anyway. I'm going to MyFX Book or MyFX Street. I don't know which one yet, but I need to pick. Trump's speech. Where are you seeing that? Oh, yeah, you're not using Forex Factory. Yeah, Forex Factory. Gone. That's it. Let's see. I need to change the countries because I ain't looking at all this. Inauguration day, 20 hours. USD MXN is gonna go crazy. Wait, what happens to USD MXN when Trump won thingy? One. Oh. Guessing it was there. Oh, nothing really. I mean, it did a 4% move. I guess that is actually kind of crazy. Oh, this is gonna go crazy. That was oh, was that COVID? No, what was that? That is insane. Imagine a currency doing 36% in like 2 months, a month. Anyway, let's get back to business. I mean, yeah, he'll do a speech when he comes into fucking power, won't he? And he is fucking unpredictable. He said, "Oh, I am super bullish on crypto, and the Japans are gonna die." And then JPY go, boom! Everyone will get stop loss. It's just not worth being in any trade. He'll say about Canada, we're gonna take over Canada, and then fucking USD CAD will go crazy. Just your crypto portfolio. Yeah, that's gonna do nice. Hopefully tomorrow. UJ, beautiful trade. If we didn't have the stuff tomorrow, really nice. I really like the look of that trade. Like, that is probably my nicest trade for next week so far. And then we have these next 2 levels. So I guess if we see a break of that, which we already have, if the Trump stuff happens and we see a break of that, then this I'm going for no matter what. Don't care about alignment, time, and whatever. I'm going for that one. Beautiful. GU. Right. Like, who was it? Otto. GU is your favorite pair. Right? When was the last time you took a trade on GU? Tane, how much are you funded? As in, like, live funded? 200 and... No. Yes, 212k. But, like, challenges, like, 1 point something. Oh, wait, no, I've got... Oh, never mind. No, 312k, actually. It works well in back testing. I haven't traded much yet. I bet there's been nothing. I literally can't remember the last trade. I think it was like back in September last year. I think I might actually get rid of GU and replace it. Gold is my worst. Oh, gold is so nice. Gold. Otto, have you been on gold 4 hour? LE/ON is my favorite pair. Oh. Ooh, hyper liquid. Just saying, that graphic is actually... That's really nice. That's such a nice picture. I bet their branding is really cool. I can just tell already. Their website's fucking clean. Let's see. Oh, I've already been on it apparently. Yeah, I've already been on it. Yes, that is nice. I don't understand this bit. This is a bit confusing, but yeah, that's cool. I like their website. A little website nerd. Now I need your Strava graphic. My Strava graphic? Strava graphic? What the fuck is my Strava graphic? As in, Strava is in the running app thing. Yeah. Oh, what? As in the banner? Strava. Wait, I don't want to like expose myself. I don't think I've got any of my public stuff on there. Isn't that the... I think it's the MCR Elites thing, right? Is that what you're on about? Oh, I think. Where it says like MCR Elites. Don't expose the zeal. Hey, I did a 3k last week. This week. 3k. Hoorah. Hell yeah. I don't give a shit about GU, to be honest. These buys, yeah, I'll go for this low if we see a break of that, like a clean break. What's your plan, Otto? What are you looking for in GU at the minute? This break retest, I will also go for. It missed by 50, which is quite a lot. So I think that's still valid for me. Now that we've moved away from it, if we see a clean move into it, I'll go for it. So let's say we do push down. Let's say we push down, we break that low. We have a nice move in of, what, decent move in from there. 189 pips, 190, 200 pips. I'll go for that. You then also have the trend line technically, which was tapped, was not. Yeah, I don't think you could argue it. So that could be nice. We need pound strength, DXY weakness. DXY have any sells? It does. So we could potentially see DXY high. So that could align. So we got this, the very low, which I'll take if we see a clean break. DXY high. And then we push up and potentially catch a 61 fib retracement. There you go. Leon's about to predict the markets. Bam, bam, bosh. That's what's going to happen. We're going to go up on GU temporarily. Then we will smash down like there's no tomorrow. You need DXY strength and pound weakness for sure. Yes. I mean, if DXY... I'm guessing DXY is going to break the highs tomorrow. Is that all time? No, not all time highs. 2020. What is all time highs on DXY? Oh. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ, never mind. Fucking 1984, they were living life. Shit me. But yeah, I'm guessing we're most likely going to have a nice little rally. I don't know. I honestly can't remember what happened 4 years ago. So, my zones for DXY. Yeah, I've not really... Let me... Oh, these are my zones pretty much. I don't think I have any others. Fucking hell, I can't see that. I've got it on like a half a screen. What's your first one? Pretty much 111. I mean, we've got the same one. I've also got that one, the break retest. No, price is already currently there. Ignore me. Yeah, no, just ignore me. But yeah, that's what I've got. These Chinese... What? The Chinese trumpet is happening. The fucking hell. Megaphone. Breakout. Then... Nice. Nice. Is it actually called the Chinese megaphone? 111 is a nice one. Anyway, yeah, I don't need to be looking at DXY zones. Yeah, GU, that's the plan of action. I'll actually write it down, but you called it that last time. Oh, did I? I can't remember. Gold is what I'm concentrating on. Gold 4 hour has been really nice, so I think gold, to be honest, is my my main thing. Obviously, don't know what's going to happen Monday, so I'm probably going to do this analysis, and it's all going to get fucked up anyway, so...
Bank holiday Monday, by the way.
Yeah, for US, right?
Yep.
So yeah, we're gonna see. Oh shit, yeah.
Martin
How the
Luther
fuck would
King
that
Day
work
or
with
some shit.
USD volume then? Because I thought inauguration's gonna have a little play around with DXY and USD, but if it's bank holiday at the same time, that's gonna be a little bit weird. Huh. Interesting. I don't know how tomorrow will play out. The 51 is so gone for tomorrow. Yeah, most likely. I mean, I'm not going to take a trade tomorrow, to be honest. I'm just going to wait until Tuesday just to see it out and sit on the sidelines and watch it. So 50 is probably gone. The next one is this. So I guess if we do see a nice break of the 50, then this becomes pretty nice. This trend line, don't know what it is. It's just a random line. Don't even know what it is. I think it's a duplicate of the high, which, I mean, it's nice, but yeah, let's ignore that for now. It's there, but yeah. 2680. Oh no, 2675 is the cycle level. Fuck me. Need some energy. Silver match. Oh, your chart's tripping me out.
Yeah, bro, it's fucked color scheme.
All the fucking boxes as well, man. This confuses the shit out of me. This is gold daily, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah, you've got that. Wait, which one are you looking at? That one. Okay, you're looking at that one. Yeah, you're looking at this one. Okay. So you're looking at 2676 or not? Yeah, you are. You got that 4 hour, I'm guessing. Okay. And then silver.
Leon, do you do like the 3-2-1 thing? Or ABC?
As in like the tiers?
No, 3 like overextended move, timing, alignment. You categorize them in different ways. It's really good for decision making, knowing in what market condition what to use and what to disregard.
As in like the ranking them in order of strength, as a confluence.
Right, yeah.
No, I haven't actually written it down, but like
Helps a lot.
I mean, obviously like alignment, timing. I mean, alignment is the strongest one, obviously. Then I'd say. I mean, the weakest ones are like. I mean, it depends because obviously gold is completely different to other pairs. Because psych level, obviously on gold, I'd rank that pretty high. But then on normal pairs, I wouldn't really give a shit about psych level. I'd just look at it for entry.
No, it's not got anything to do with the tech. It's more so the categorizing the quality of setup. So number 1 is alignment with a key level and confluence. Number 2 is timing, key level, confluence. Number 3 is overextended. So at the very minimum,
okay.
Yeah. Because
So it's like
the
the
very
tier
minimum,
system
you're
thing.
looking for an overextended move, and it helps with that decision making. So last week, gold 38 fib. That was an overextended move because it was 250 pips move into the zone. And the 50 fib, even though if you do it like that, the 50 fib wasn't a valid trade, even though it delivered the big move. What that ensures is that you've got something on top of technicals in your favor, and it helps you know what type of setups work in what market conditions and so on.
Yeah, it's like the ranking of trades. Yeah, so my number 1, well, my number 3 is just a level and any confluence. So I'll just take level and email, level and fib, level and timing. Number 2 is level plus any 2 confluences. And then number 1 is level, 2 confluences and alignment. So level, EMA and a trend line, and then alignment.
Yeah, I did 1, 2, 3. So at the very minimum, I don't even take anything with just tech. I need the zone to be breached at the very minimum, and then it's like a C on my setup or a number 3.
Okay. So you wouldn't take just like level and a fib? You're looking for a breach or like a big move in?
Yeah, at the very minimum, I'd want a breach of the zone before, or in a tech market maybe, but the way I do it is it just fits my lifestyle, because I do all the work on Sunday and then I just fuck off. And then that way I know whenever I'm in a trade, it's already the odds are in my favor slightly more than just technicals.
Yeah, no, that's fair. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, I'm just level and 1 confluence. Easy as that. Mainly fib, level and EMA, level and alignment, trend line. Timing, I mean, timing and break previous level, they're dependent on market conditions. Obviously, just like level and 4 p.m. timing on something, I'd only go for that again if the tech makes sense and there's no crazy bias or flows for the day. So they're dependent, but anything else, yeah, I'll just take.
Yeah.
But yeah, Yeah, interesting.
Have you gone over yen pairs?
Yeah. UJ. I mean, GJ is a bit shit. UJ, I'm looking for the 50 fib short, which is probably going to be invalidated tomorrow. So, more looking at the high, to be honest. Because I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, but I doubt I'm going to trade anyway. So, I'm just going to skip that most likely and just go for the high, which I definitely will go for because we've seen a break of that, break of this, and then go for this high. So, that's 100% trade. What if you posted there, GJ? I'll go over that in 2 secs.
Yeah, that's
and then buys, I didn't even go over buys, to be fair. Oh, they're all fucked. This first one is a bit of a shitter. It depends, because if we create that level, we see a breach of that, then it could be nice. This, I'll need alignment, or... Well, either way, I need a clean break of that level. So we need a clean break of this, and most likely alignment. And I'll go for that, or a clean break of this and timing, and I will give that a go. But then I guess you have that as the backup anyway with the 100 EMA, so that's a trade done. You mark that out. I'll do all my writings later and send them out.
Yeah, there's a 61 on that level as well.
Did I just miss that?
No, it's from the other. Obviously, fibs are a bit subjective.
This one?
Yeah, from there.
Yeah, okay, fair. That's a bit of a shit one. I fucking hate when the fibs are outside of the level. Hate it. Especially when it's this way rather than
the other way, yeah.
Because I look at like the level as pretty much the wick. That's what I see as level. So if it's outside, I mean this isn't as bad, but when it's that way, it's so awkward, man.
Yeah. If it's something like that, it's just I'd make sure that the stop loss isn't on the fib.
Yeah, try and cover it by tiny smart. I mean that's what 40. Low is 160. So you go entries at like 0.3. Go 1 pip above just for good luck. 40. Something like that. That's how I'd approach that. I mean, something like that. And UJ is obviously beautiful because then we can look at DXY and all the other juicy stuff. So that's perfect. GJ is such a weird one. See you later,
I
Otto.
love this bitch.
No, just at the minute, sells on this are fucking shit. Like,
but yeah, with that key level.
Yeah, I know that's beautiful, but then you've got this little bastard pushing in. You've got that. So how the fuck do you manage this? Do you go split entries? Do you go just one entry and then back up to 50?
Screen and show you how I'm playing it?
Yeah, go for it, man. Yeah.
Just give me 1 sec.
I'm just hoping we push a little bit further down. That'll be so much easier. So much easier.
Yeah, so with me, I think everyone's got the same tech. What I've found has really helped with my trading is the scenarios in how you're going to take it. So if it starts pushing down right now from open, 150 pips for yen pairs is not that much. So this, and the reason I'm going a bit earlier is if you go down onto the lower time frame, I think it's like the 0.8. Yeah, I think there's a 0.8 if there's alignment, just so I don't miss out on the move. But lows, yeah, that's a normal one. But in terms of the sells, there is this smaller fib that you do need to keep in mind, because on the way here, I think this one worked. Yeah, so the 38 worked there, 38 worked over here. So if it does make the move from the 38, then I won't even consider this zone. I just want a breach for the break retest of the 50 fib.
That's what I'm more interested in, the break retest.
Yeah. But if there's no reaction and if it's just a sharp move up, then I'm interested in this zone, because then that would be a C on my setup. With no reaction from this level, that's a C on my setup, unless obviously there's timing or alignment. If there's timing or alignment on the 38, maybe I could consider that, but use this as a backup. If let's say there is a pullback on this level, then I'd want a breach of this one to increase the appeal of this one, because the bigger fib is over here as well. So it's just always just making plans where the odds are in your favor more than just tech, and yeah, pretty much that's it.
That's
I found shit like that works. Like an example would be this one. Like this level was overused on Wednesday. when price was pushing lower, because it's overused, it's not good enough for me to take. So I would have only taken this with timing or alignment. Because it wasn't, I would then want a breach to increase the appeal of this level, which was a double fib 4-hour level and 200 EMA. and this was on London Open, so you had the timing. And again, for this one over here as well, it was a low liquidity market, so I wasn't even trading. But in a scenario like this, if there was a pullback over here, you wouldn't really take this. You'd want a breach to increase the appeal of this one. But since there was no reaction over here, it increases the appeal of this one. And because this is a key levels just hold more bearing. But fucking GJ's been beautiful for me. It's like one of the only things I trade all the time, just because it gives like, you know, such large fucking moves.
Yeah, it does. It just sometimes is a little bit awkward with the fucking levels. Like right now, currently, it's so awkward for management. What am I doing here? There we go. So yeah, I'm just hoping it breaks low, to be honest, and we just see a nice move into this, because that's the easiest trade. These are all awkward as shit for management.
Past that 185.9 area, it's a weekly 100 EMA, by the way, as well, in 4-hour level.
Yep, this one.
Yeah.
That'll be a big move. That's still.
Yeah, and interest rates this week as well, by the way.
Yeah, I saw them. Yep. So I mean, yeah, that's about it really. We'll see what happens. Did I go over gold? Yeah, I did. Did I? I slightly covered it. Not looking at that. Oh, that's a 4-hour level actually. Is it? Yeah, shit, 4-hour level, which I probably won't go for. Yeah, 50 is going to probably fuck up. I doubt I'll trade that. We'll probably see a tap of that tomorrow maybe. So the main levels is this one, which could be nice with a psych, especially if we see a break of the 50. So that is 100% a trade. And this dodgy ass trend line dupe. This, what does this have at the minute? Nothing really. Let's draw the big fib. I don't know if this. Yeah. Okay, we got a 50 and a 61. Oh shit, that's beautiful. So we have this, and also that. Hell yeah. Okay, well, I mean, these are all separate trades, so if we see a break of that, go for that, break of that, go for that, and etc. And obviously we'll check silver as well for some alignment. Silver's been a little bit weird at the minute. I don't think it really had much last week. It's a bit boring. We had that one level tap and that was about it. Everything else got fucked off. It's weird. Silver's like a bit detrimental. Like sometimes it will like align beautifully with gold, and sometimes it'll just do its own fucking thing. So I'm pretty sure last week it was pretty much useless for gold 4-hour. I don't think it had much alignment. And then like next week it'll have like the most beautiful alignment ever. So bit of a weird one, but DXY is also fucking delicious when it comes to alignment. Same with like UJ. That's why I love trading. I think I'm gonna get rid of GU and switch it out for something else. I don't know what yet. I've seen a lot of people trade GCAD. I'm pretty sure that has a nice setup at the minute as well. Yeah, it has two good ones actually. You got that. You got this. Which I'm pretty sure they align. Yeah, that's a bit of a weird fib. You got that. You got 61. I mean, that's miles away. It's not like it's going to tap this week anyway. 200. Potentially, actually. So yeah, that's about it, really. Your chart looks like a heat map. I can't see the sub channel yet. Is it not public? You need to select the... Do you have the role, Vitex? The little Forex analysis? No, you don't. You have crypto. It's... You need to go to start here and select the fucking Forex analysis. And then you get access. You need to select it anyway to look at Raheem's stuff. You need to look through some of Raheem's reports. This one, you should read this. This is really good. I read through the entirety of this and made some notes. It was really good. And you still didn't ask him those questions as well, by the way. Calling you out. You're meant to be on your fundamental shit. Shit, what am I doing here? Wrong way. But anyway, yeah, I don't know if Seb will actually... I mean, I don't know what he's going to post, to be honest. I think he's posting some chart breakdowns. He asked me about it today, but I'm guessing he hasn't done it. So most likely tomorrow, we'll see. I see it. I read it. Oh, you read it? Okay, fair enough. Hey, let me add you the fucking roll. There we go. I thought you were going to ask him the question in economics, right? Sets up by increased demand for stocks. Right, yeah. I'm going to get off. I'll see you guys midweek.
Take care of yourself. Have a nice
Yeah, nice speaking to you, man. You forgot the question already. Fucking idiot. Should have written it down. I don't know what it was either. Unless you want to go watch the last live stream back for an hour, then yeah, never mind. Okay, right. I'll speak to you guys soon. Don't fucking destroy yourself on any shit tomorrow, please. Yeah, play it safe. Peace out. And YouTube also.